everyone, my name is Sakshi Kushwaha and welcome back to yet another video on machine learning models. So in this video, we are going to learn some theoretical concepts of machine learning and deep learning and also artificial intelligence. So I have made notes, so let's discuss on from that notes. So those notes are handwritten notes. So I opened these notes and here you can see in this diagram, uh, artificial intelligence is a superset of machine learning and deep learning. So deep learning comes inside machine learning and machine learning comes inside artificial intelligence. So let's discuss what is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a term in which we are trying to train our machines as a human being. Like we are trying to achieve intelligence as humans are. Okay. So yeah, this is artificial intelligence, and let's talk about what is machine learning. So machine learning, yeah. Mm, yeah, yeah. Machine learning is a field of computer science that use statistical techniques to give computer systems the ability to learn with the data without being explicitly programmed. It means that in machine learning, uh, we are trying to learn our machine by giving some data, by giving some input, and they are learned without explicitly programmed. We just give data to our machines. They recognize the patterns, and they recognize the patterns. They learn from their previous results. So this is machine learning. You don't have to write if else condition in machine learning. Like machine learning is used only because of this thing. Like you don't have to write every condition, if else condition. If this is happening, then do this, or else this is happening, then do this. You don't have to write. The machine learning is a predicted. Here is a traditional programming. In traditional programming, what we do, we provide data, we provide a program, and here is a computer and it gives the output. Means we provide data, and here we provide program. Here program means we provide the condition. If this condition is met, then what you do, and if this condition is not met, then what you do if else condition. And in machine learning, we provide data, we provide output. Means if this data is present, then the output is this. Then our computer automatically recognize what is the if else condition, what is the pattern behind it, what is the program. So this is a machine learning. You don't have to write code for each and every condition or case. Okay. So scenarios in which machine learning is helpful. So yeah, so like identification of spam messages in your mails. Like in your Gmail, some messages are not important or are automatically gone in your spam messages. So like suppose there is no machine learning, then you write code for every spam identification. Like there is a word like huge, or there is another word like big, or anything else. You write that if our mail contains this word, then it is a spam. And if the spammer knows your technique, your programs, that you are designed a program that contains only this condition, so he or so they can change their technique to make a spam message. So this gives you not good output. So that's why traditional programming fails. So that's why we then you have to change your logic. Means if the spammer knows your thinking, then you have to change the logic in your if else statement. This is not a good method to handle the cases. Okay. So yeah, that's why we use machine learning. Okay. And yeah, in classification of dogs, like if you write the code for dog identification, like if there is a mouth, there is a two eyes, then it is a dog. Like cat is also contains the same features. So how your program detect? So that's why we use machine learning. Here the traditional programming fails. Like if you add two numbers or subtract two numbers, if you just provide the condition, like if You could provide the condition like if plus operator is detected, then you perform addition. If minus operator is detected, you perform subtraction. If multiplication operator is detected, you perform multiplication. But in these scenarios, how you write code for these? So that's why machine learning came in the scenario. Okay, so yeah. And what is the data analytics here? Here's the term. So let's discuss about it. So like where we find hidden information in the terms graph charts, this is called data analytics. Means before defining a machine learning model, here is a machine learning model. Before defining a machine learning model, we perform some operations on data. Okay, so those operations are under data analytics. Okay, and we perform some operations for visualizing the data. If means suppose you have an image of dog or cats, then you have to visualize it. So these comes under data analytics only. Okay, so yeah. And what is deep learning? So deep learning comes after 2012. So it is like a machine learning, as you see here. Like it is a subset of machine learning. It is a subset of machine learning. It comes inside machine learning. Okay, so yeah. So why, if already machine learning is there, then why deep learning is required? So deep learning is required basically for big data. If you have a large number of data set, then you use deep learning. Okay, so yeah. And it is inspired by biology. Like human brains are there. It is inspired by human brains only, how humans think. We are trying to implement those concepts in deep learning only. It is means human have a neural cells. So in deep learning we also use neural networks. There are many neural networks are there, like ANN. ANN means artificial neural network, and CNN means convolutional neural network, and and RNN. So there are many neural networks are there. So we will discuss later in these neural networks. So yeah, it is inspired basically from biology. Machine learning is this is a unique thing which differs it from machine learning. Okay, so why deep learning is useful if already machine learning is there? So there are some cases in which machine learning is not handled, certain things which are not handled by machine learning. So that's where deep learning comes in the world. Okay, so like here is example mentioned. Like if we want to build a system who tells us your placement based on the resume, only only seeing by the resume. Like if we provide the resume of a student and it tells this student got placement or not. Okay, so in machine learning we have to give a lot of features, and you have to create a that features, and you only create features only when you have knowledge about it. In machine learning you have to provide a features, you have to create a features. Like in resume it contains this field, it contains this fields. But in deep learning it automatically extract those features. We not explicitly defined, we have not need to explicitly define those features. It automatically extract those features. And yeah, by then as I mentioned, there is a ANN, there is a neural network in deep learning. So as many as layers in of the neural network, then as our deep learning model performance increases. Yeah, so these are hidden, like this here mentioned. By increasing the layer of neurons, efficiency of that system increases. Okay, yeah. And yeah, here a question is there, why ML if DL is so better? Yeah, and next question arises in your mind, if deep learning is so better, so why we use machine learning? If deep learning is a good, better and best, so why use machine learning? So yeah, deep learning is a powerful technology, but we can't use it every place. Means in few things machine learning is really better, But in big data, we have a large number of data sets, deep learning is better. For handling small data, we prefer machine learning. uh, like um, if you are going to work with images or work with a lot of images, like in Facebook there are a lot of data, every people every single day, lot of people posted so many posts in Facebook and Instagram, and there are so many social media sites. So how this data can be managed? So this then deep learning comes in the scenario. Like machine learning is unable to manage so many data, and in this scenario, a data is a very huge thing. Every single day we have generated 5 million tons of data. Okay, so this is a very big number. So that's why we use deep learning here, not machine learning. In for small data, for play means if you have a string, like if you perform some operations on CSV file or Excel file, or resume based predictions, or it is raining tomorrow or not, then the machine learning is so much better. But if we talk about big data, large data, then deep learning is so better. So that's why we use deep learning. Okay, I hope you will understand the concept, what I am trying to give you. So till then, take care, bye bye, and give your best.